Hello and welcome back to Skill. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crop an image in Photoshop. So let's have a look now. I start by opening Adobe Photoshop and opening the image you want to crop. Go to the File menu, select Open and choose your image file. From the toolbar on the left, select the Crop tool. It usually represented by a square symbol. Alternatively, you can press C on your keyboard to activate the crop tool. Click and drag to create a crop box over the area you want to keep. You can adjust the size and proportions of the crop box by clicking and dragging its corner or edges. Position the crop box to frame the desired portion of the image. To apply the crop, press Enter on your keyboard or click the checkmark icon in the options bar at the top. This action finalizes the crop, removing the areas outside the crop box. And there you go. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skill. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.